Hello. I thought I should come show you these beautiful flowers of the corkscrew vine. It has a marvellous scent and it has this lovely twirly whirly appendages like a corkscrew. Cochliasanthus means shell flower, and it has this incredible, probably the most dramatic pea flower that there can be. And generally, because it's got that sweet, sweet hyacinth-like scent, it's actually pollinated by ants. I see there's a little spider in here trying to wait for the ants. Here's one of the pods that will mature and become a nice longer seed. I noticed a nice big bean over here. So when these ripen, oh, you all have to come and beg for some seeds so we can grow some more of these. But the good thing about this, it's a perennial climber. It will go to sleep in winter and then it appears again to flower for us in the middle of summer. The amazing about these are they're edible too. They're like just gorgeous, wonderful to have in the garden. So I think just maybe how wonderful that when you do grow things from seed, you often are allowed to sow things that are unusual to find and not at any nursery to be found. And so I hope this is encouragement for you to go and see which seeds your neighbors might have in their gardens, or check out a seed company if you want to, and just see what's possible again to bring some new characters into your garden.